Point 1. Coffee puts unnecessary stress on your heart. As we age, our hearts work hard to keep up, and caffeine can push them to the brink. That morning cup spikes your blood pressure and heart rate, which can be dangerous after 65. Let me tell you about Mary, a 68-year-old retiree from Seattle. She loved her morning double espresso, thinking it was her secret to staying sharp. But she started noticing her heart racing during simple tasks, like gardening. Her doctor found that caffeine was triggering palpitations, putting her at risk for serious heart issues. The solution? Mary switched to a soothing cup of chamomile or peppermint tea. These herbal teas are gentle on the heart, reduce stress, and still offer a warm, comforting start to the day. Try brewing a cup tomorrow morning. You'll feel the difference without the strain. Point 2. Coffee disrupts your natural energy cycle. Coffee might feel like an energy boost, but it's a false promise. It gives you a quick high, followed by a crash that leaves you drained by noon. For seniors, this energy roller coaster can sap the vitality needed for daily activities. Consider John, a 72-year-old grandfather from Sydney. He relied on 2 strong cups to power through his morning errands, but by lunchtime he was exhausted, struggling to play with his grandkids. His nutritionist suggested a smoothie packed with blueberries, spinach, and a scoop of protein powder. This nutrient-rich drink gave John steady energy without the slump. Blend up a mix of your favorite fruits, some greens, and a splash of almond milk. It's a delicious, sustainable way to fuel your day and keep you active for hours. Point 3. It heightens anxiety and sabotages sleep. After 65, our nervous systems become more sensitive, and caffeine can amplify feelings of anxiety or restlessness. It also lingers in your system, disrupting the deep sleep you need to stay healthy. Susan, a 67-year-old widow from London, used to sip a latte every morning, thinking it was harmless. But she started feeling jittery, with racing thoughts that kept her awake at night. Her doctor explained that caffeine was overstimulating her nervous system. Susan replaced her coffee with a 5-minute morning meditation, focusing on slow, deep breaths. This simple practice calmed her mind and improved her sleep quality. You can try a short mindfulness exercise or even a gentle walk outside. These habits wake you up naturally, leaving you refreshed and centered for the day ahead. Point 4. Coffee can dehydrate your body. Dehydration is a major concern for seniors, leading to fatigue, confusion, and even falls. Coffee, as a diuretic, pulls water from your body, making it harder to stay hydrated. Robert, a 70-year-old veteran from Chicago, thought his 3 daily coffees were fine until he started feeling dizzy during his morning walks. His doctor pointed out that dehydration was the culprit, worsened by his coffee habit. Robert began starting his day with a tall glass of water infused with lemon or cucumber slices. This hydrating ritual not only refreshed him, but also supported his kidneys and overall health. Try keeping a water bottle by your bedside and sipping it first thing. It's a small change with big benefits. Point 5. It irritates your digestive system. As we age, our digestion slows, and coffee on an empty stomach can cause acid reflux, bloating, or discomfort. Linda, a 66-year-old retired teacher from Melbourne, loved her black coffee first thing in the morning, but she started experiencing stomach pain that made her dread breakfast. Her gastroenterologist explained that coffee's acidity was irritating her stomach lining. Linda switched to a light, fiber-rich breakfast, like oatmeal topped with sliced bananas and a sprinkle of nuts. This gentle meal soothed her stomach and kept her full for hours. If you're a coffee drinker, try eating a small nutrient-dense breakfast before your drink, or better yet, swap coffee for a warm, gut-friendly herbal tea like ginger or fennel. Point 6. Coffee masks underlying health issues. Relying on coffee to feel alert can hide serious health problems, like poor sleep, nutrient deficiencies, or even thyroid issues. For seniors, addressing these root causes is critical to long-term health. Take Tom, a 69-year-old retiree from Toronto. He used coffee to push through chronic fatigue, not realizing he was deficient in vitamin B12, common in older adults. After a blood test and starting supplements, Tom felt energized without needing caffeine. He also added a morning routine of light stretching to boost the circulation. If you're leaning on coffee to get through the day, talk to your doctor about simple tests to check for deficiencies or other issues. Addressing these can transform how you feel. No coffee required. Point 7. There are healthier ways to start your day. You don't need coffee to feel vibrant in the morning. Small, intentional habits can energize you while supporting your body's needs. Margaret, a 71-year-old artist from San Francisco, used to rely on coffee to spark her creativity, but she felt sluggish by mid-morning and struggled with joint stiffness. She replaced her coffee with a 10-minute gentle yoga routine and a glass of warm water with a teaspoon of honey. This combination left her feeling limber, focused, and ready to paint. You can try yoga, a short walk in nature, or even listening to uplifting music while sipping a hydrating drink. These habits boost your mood, improve circulation, and set a positive tone for your day, all without the risks of caffeine. Bonus point: coffee can weaken your bones. Here's something many seniors don't know. Excessive coffee can interfere with calcium absorption, weakening your bones over time. Osteoporosis is a real risk after 65, especially for women. Emma, a 73-year-old grandmother from Bristol, loved her morning cappuccino, but started noticing more aches in her hips. Her doctor linked her high coffee intake to reduce bone density. Emma began drinking fortified almond milk for calcium and added a short strength training routine to her mornings. Try incorporating calcium-rich foods like yogurt or fortified plant milk into your breakfast, and consider light weight-bearing exercises to keep your bones strong. Conclusion: your mornings are a gift, a chance to set the stage for a day filled with energy, joy, and health. By letting go of that coffee habit and embracing these 8 healthier alternatives, you're not just protecting your heart, mind, and body, you're investing in a longer, happier life. Think about your own morning routine. What's one small change you're inspired to make after watching this? Maybe it's swapping coffee for tea, trying a smoothie, or starting with a moment of mindfulness. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're taking charge of your mornings. If this video touched your heart or sparked an idea, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more senior health wisdom, and share it with someone you love. Here's to thriving, not just surviving, in your golden years.